So New Zealand are the inaugural World Test Cricket champions after beating India in the final. I mean, I lie. As a West Indies fan, it got me peeping over the New Zealand fence to see what the new champions are doing to reap this kind of success. And the first thing that struck me was how the team is structured. They have one real world-class batsman in Captain Kane Williamson. As a group, they play smart and positive cricket. But the real strength of this New Zealand team is their bowling, specifically their fast bowling attack. By and large, their four-pronged pace attack, led by Trent Boult, Tim Southey, Neil Wagner, and new boy Kyle Jamieson. So it is mainly their four-pronged pace bowling attack that has propelled them to the top of world cricket. Now, where have we heard that before? Four-pronged pace attack, top of world cricket. Where we heard that before? Which cricket team originated the concept of a four-pronged pace attack? And where that cricket team they right now? What kind of attack that team has right now? It pained me heart. Yes, it is paining me heart. New Zealand, the world #1 test team, on the back of a four-pronged pace attack. It pained me. The pace attack, four-pronged pace attack. This will come back.